The flat pattern length calculator determines the required flat sheet dimensions before bending operations in metal fabrication. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose Imperial in inches or metric in millimeters. I'm using Imperial for this demonstration. Next, choose your material from the drop-down. Options include aluminum, steel, stainless steel, copper, and brass. I've selected aluminum. Now enter your material thickness. This is the thickness of your sheet metal. Finally, input your bend radius, the inside radius of your bend. For this example, I'm entering 0.125 inches for material thickness and 0.125 inches for bend radius. After clicking Calculate Flat Pattern Length, here are our results. The total flat pattern length shows 0.000 inches. The total flange length is also 0.000 inches. However, the total bend allowance calculates to 0.33 inches, which represents the arc length of the neutral axis through the bend. This calculator streamlines your sheet metal design process by providing accurate flat pattern dimensions. Find the link in the description below.